Are you going to TwitchCon and you want to network with a few streamers? I'm going to show you a cool trick that you can do right now on Twitch. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild coming at you with another Twitch quick tip video. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. So if any of you awesome people out there are going to TwitchCon in San Jose, California, and you want to meet some of your viewers, your subscribers, your regulars, or even some other streamers out there, there's one really cool tip that I want to give you because you need to start networking now if you want to start meeting people at the event. And Twitch just released not too long ago their tagging system, and underneath one of their tags is TwitchCon, which is something that you should be using if you're planning on going to TwitchCon, and it's something that you should be using to look for other streamers that are currently on Twitch in categories that you want to also be within. This is a great way to start the networking process now so you can meet them at the event. And using the tagging system is really easy. Regardless of what game you're in, all you need to start doing is start typing in Twitch and it'll automatically prompt TwitchCon for you. Select that and add that as one of your tags to your stream for that day. Once it's been added, people will have the option of finding you in your channel through that TwitchCon tab if they're searching by it. But the powerful thing about this is you can also use this tag to start searching for other people. And this is where you're gonna start making your connections. If you can get a head start on your networking process right now, you will have such a better time at TwitchCon meeting up with all these people because you're already gonna have this common connection and you're gonna share so much more in common because you've probably already had a few discussions on either their stream or your stream, which is gonna make your trip that much more enjoyable. So use this little quick Twitch tip to help you out with your networking right now. Hey, if you guys like these videos and you want to see more from me, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment below and let me know what you need help with. And if you want to keep up with me and all that's going on my social media and accounts, make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And if you want to help me grow this channel and my Twitch, make sure you follow me on twitch.tv/wildforgames and maybe even hit that almighty sub button. I will see you guys next time coming up in my next Twitch quick tip video coming up real soon. Take care all. Peace.